The first thing I tell my students is that you don't make a film with a camera, you make a film with a pen. A film is about an idea that has been developed, that has been given a structure, and that happens on the page. I see people going around with cameras filming whatever that seems interesting to them, hoping that somehow magically a film will come out of that. Well, that doesn't happen. Filmmaking is not a spontaneous process. It's a carefully planned process. Once you work out the framework, then allow for spontaneity, and you'll have a beautiful film. But the filmmaking itself, the process itself, is not spontaneous. Focus is key. The filmmaker has to be fully present, either on the set or at the edit table or wherever the film takes her. And I find that to be quite spiritual, that state of being present, because with deep concentration comes peace, and that's beautiful. To become a documentary filmmaker, you must read, you must hear, you must see. A book of poems can be far more important for your development as a cineast than a course on camera lenses. You should travel, you should experience things. You should get a sense of that shared human experience. Once you do that, then spend a week learning the technique. I'm Hossein Martin Fazeli, and welcome to my workshop.